6 with split load.
Stager 823, yep.
Yeah, Bill, I'm talking to lead. What's up?
Oh, they're talking about weather coming in. How's it looking over there still?
Like crap?
Maybe I'll just hold it.
Okay, copy that. On scene here. I got you in sight there, lead 28.
Copy that. Still looking for you? I'm sure I'll pick you up in a moment.
I just keep coming around. I'll be in your window.
Okay, we got you there. I'm going to roll in front of you. If you could widen out to the right just a little bit for a quick show me.
Okay.
We've got a couple little gaps that we're going to be working in with you here.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
All right, that should work. I'm going to start rolling around to show you the first one. Retardant underneath me, a little bit of black. Crossover road, a little more black. Pick up the next retardant line. It's a little thin right as we cross the line right here.
Okay.
That's going to be the first one.
Okay. Basically, you want me tied in those two words, light, right there. That's where you want me to put it?
That's correct. We're going to cross over the one retardant line, grab that, a good start there, and then just a squirt to get into the next retardant. The last seat did that was just a little touch late.
Okay, cover that. You want me to go ahead and do this split, and then we'll go to a second target?
Yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of some of that weight. I'll slow it down out here, and yeah, come on in. I'm going to widen out, and we'll plan to go live. You're cleared down, cleared to drop. Verify gate armed, coverage 6.
Gate armed, coverage 6, then I'm kind of in position. If you want to just go ahead and give me a lead in there, make sure we get it.
Yep, that's good. Go ahead and start cutting me off a little bit.
Caution, terrain ahead.
There you go, coming in nice. Probably be a little bit of tailwind. That's what got us last time.
Okay, I'll start early.
$500.
If I recall, that was about 1850 or so on the altitude.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, I got it.
Sink rate, pull up. Pull up.
Start. Stop.
Terrain, pull up, pull up. Terrain ahead, pull up. Caution.
What have we got left?
Oh, about 350.
Okay, looking for just another squirt. It's a beam you off the left wing. You're on crosswind for right now. It's going to be the same thing at this base of the column under my left wing here, off your left wing.
Traffic, 9 o'clock.
Okay, right down there with a kind of active flame is?
Yep, there's a little bit of active flame there. It's going to be at the heel of that. I'd like to only use about half that, 300 gallons.
Okay, you want a second split?
Yeah, let's split this in half. It's going to be just a quick squirt. There's a little scratch line, 2-track, I'm not sure what you'd call it. It's not really a dozer line. I just need to grab that. A little bit of tailwind got us on this one, and we're going to fill a gap right there as well.
Okay, you want to just leave me in? I'm already kind of set up here.
Yeah, kind of planned it that way. Starting our turn, it's base, turn, and final. Pretty much the same numbers. Actually, you can grab a little bit of black, take it across the 2-track into the retardant. This is the line. Should just take 150 gallons, something like that.
Okay, I got it.
Bit of a tailwind.
Pull up. Terrain, terrain, pull up, pull up. Pull up.
I think that took it, lead. I think that took all of it. It didn't split it like it should have.
Any possibility of anything left?
About 40 gallons, maybe. We'll get rid of it.
Yep, between you and I, we've got another little weak spot right between the two of us. You're on downwind for it now. If you'll widen out to the right just a little bit, I'll pick you up and we'll do the same thing for a third time.
Okay.
Start your turn. You got me in sight?
Yeah, gotcha.
Traffic, 9 o'clock.
This is base. Start the retardant, end in it. The rest of the load, it'll end in retardant if there's anything left. Turn and final. Light little puff of smoke under the right wing. You'll see the gap rolling in on final.
I think I got it.
Right here.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Pull up. Terrain, terrain, pull up, pull up. Pull.
Well, anything come out?
22 gallons.
Okay.
Caution.
All right, it's Childress, load and return for Bravo 89 if weather permits. Weather and Hobbs time permit.
Okay, 823 is out of Abilene.
Oh, that's right. All right, you're right. My apologies. Yeah, Abilene if weather permits. How you feel about that?
Oh, let me punch this in. I don't know.
You know what? It's just up to you. Weather permitting, it's load and return for Bravo 89. If the weather does not permit, we understand. Just pass the word through dispatch if you cannot make it back.
I sure will.
Hatch 6.
Did you say you got me, Aaron?
I'm at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Traffic, 9 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Sounds like your air taxi